How much of your week is lost switching between tools? And what if AI could take that entire burden off your hands? Welcome to the Dinis Guarda Business ABC series. Today, I am going to explore with you Manus AI, a tool I have been testing with my team. Studies indicate that knowledge workers use 9 to 12 different apps every day: email, documents, spreadsheets, CRM, calendars, design tools, messaging platforms. Yet research shows people lose over 20% of their working time simply switching between tools. That's roughly one full day every week, lost to coordination, reformatting, and manual execution. So here's the real problem. Most AIs today generate ideas and give answers, but they leave the execution to you. AI was supposed to fix this, but most AI tools today still behave like chatbots. They generate text, then hand the real work back to you. So the real question is, can AI actually execute end-to-end work? That's exactly why I am testing Manus 1.6 Max. Manus is a Singapore-based developer of general-purpose AI agents. Manus AI takes your goal, plans a path, uses tools, and delivers finished work. I gave Manus one concrete goal: build a live website showcasing my design history collection, including research, artifact details, images, provenance, citations, and a working interface. Then I uploaded everything in one place: artifact photos, links to blog posts, auction listings, and I marked which items required deeper provenance research. After that, I closed the session. Because Manus works asynchronously, the agent continued working in the cloud while I did other things. This is where 1.6 Max showed its real strength. Using its deep research and execution pipeline, Manus analyzed every uploaded image to identify titles, designers, dates, and eras, researched museum archives, design institutions, and specialist sources, cross-checked auction records from Christie's and Sotheby's, built a complete design history dataset with 25 curated objects, organized those objects into 10 major design movements with historical context, designed a clean, responsive website interface, built both the front end and back end, created a relational database for items, movements, citations, and auction records, implemented search, filtering, navigation, and item detail pages, built an admin interface for managing content, generated full documentation, architecture overview, RADME, and deployment guide, wrote and passed 17 backend tests to verify the system, delivered a final to-do list and roadmap for expanding the project. It was a fully functioning web application with real content and real research, and every step was recorded and replayable inside Manus's agent computer so the entire process could be audited. This detailed level of output only happened because of Manus 1.6 Max. The Max mode activates deeper multi-source research, higher task success rates, parallel execution of subtasks, full mobile and web development pipelines, advanced design view tools, and significantly stronger spreadsheet and data analysis. The same workflow applies across the 4 deliverable categories: websites and apps. In the example earlier, the agent built an entire website, including database-driven pages and custom styling. With Manus 1.6, it can also build iOS Android apps from a prompt, packaging the source code and compiled files for you. Professional presentations. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you could ask, create a 20-slide pitch deck on market trends in renewable energy. Manus would research the space, generate charts, draft persuasive copy, and design the slides around your brand assets. The finished deck is ready to present. Data visualization and spreadsheets. Provide Manus with a raw dataset, say sales figures across regions, and ask it to surface key patterns. The agent can calculate metrics, build interactive dashboards and maps, and even output a spreadsheet summarizing the insights. Because Manus breaks down your task into a to-do list, executes these subtasks, and delivers your final result, you get an answer and the accompanying visualizations. Reports and research. For a market analysis, Manus can run large-scale research in parallel, extract insights, and compile them into a structured report, complete with citations and recommendations. It doesn't just summarize, it delivers a formatted document. Behind all of these outputs is the same agentic workflow. You set a goal, supply any inputs, and Manus plans and executes the steps, researching, coding, analyzing data, designing slides, and packaging everything into a finished product. You can watch the replay for transparency, edit, or stop the task at any time, and, if you just need quick answers, drop back into its free chat mode. If you are building products, running a business, managing research, or leading teams, Manus changes what one person can realistically deliver. Try Manus. Find the link in the description. And let me know in the comments. What would you build first with an AI agent that actually executes?